Tiffany the Turtle. This is a story about bullying. Tiffany the Turtle was sitting by herself on a rock, sipping on some lovely herbal tea in the afternoon. This is some good brew, if I do say so myself. Suddenly, a long green creature appeared. It was Tommy the alligator. He appeared to be in a rather cranky mood. He thumped his tail on the ground. "I hate to bother you, Miss Tiffany, but it appears you're sitting on my rock." "Your rock?" asked Tiffany, dumbfounded. "Yes. Go away, and if you don't go away, I will call the thunder gods and they will strike you with lightning," said Tiffany the Turtle wisely. And so, Tommy the alligator slunk away. The next day, Tiffany the Turtle had some laundry to hang. The warm, fresh air was perfect for drying clothes. She hummed to herself happily as she took the clothes out of her basket. First she saw a long tail, then the flash of some long, white teeth. He was back again. It was Tommy the alligator. "It looks as though you have a pair of my underwear drying on the line," said Tommy. "Your underwear, sir?" asked Tiffany the Turtle. "Those right there. And if you don't give them to me, you'll what? Now shush up and go away, because if you don't, I will call on the rain gods and they will wash you away." Tommy the alligator slunk away to the tall grass, defeated once again. The next day, Tiffany was sitting up on a high hill overlooking a lovely valley with her paints and easel. She was enjoying her painting when she heard a hissing sound behind her. She turned around. It was Tommy the alligator. "This is my hill, now get away," he warned. "Your hill?" said Tiffany the Turtle. "Yes, that's what I'm telling you. Look, I have had it with you, mister. Now go away and leave me alone." "Oh yeah? What are you going to do about it?" "I'm going to bite your nose off." And with that, she snapped her jaws at the alligator. Tommy ran down the hill and didn't look back. And so, from that day on, Tommy the alligator did not bully Tiffany anymore. So the next time you meet a Tommy the alligator, tell him you're going to send the gods after him, and if that doesn't work, tell him you're going to bite his nose off. Don't let anybody bully you.